Good afternoon, guys. MGM. Lily Clear here on June 3rd. It's now 12:01 p.m. Been in this stock for 3 weeks, and now I'm seeing a struggle, and I thought I'd just use this opportunity to show you this trade coming down. So it is shortable, and it's now at $20.06. Let's see how much we can get it for. Alright, so like I said, the stock is $20 and well, it's now 8 cents. 2008. We're always going to have $2,000 because this is geared towards people with low equity, and to show you that you can still make money in the stock market. So with a 4-to-1, we can get 398 shares. We can go in with 350, right? That's okay. All right, so we're gonna trade it down, and where I'm seeing we can get out is VWAP is trending just below the fib line. That's a 1-minute fib line. So I'm thinking that both technical analysis will act as a magnet for this stock. So it did struggle around this area. It has been struggling up here because it has hit on both the daily and the minute fib line. And for those of you joining me for the first time, I usually go in and draw my daily fib line, and that is a darker blue, and I'm drawing it from bottom to top. You just go into this pencil here on Webull, Fibonacci retracement, and you just pull it up. And then I do it also on my minute fib line. Now this is a little off because I do have it on a larger screen, and so you know it's a little off, but nonetheless it is the same stock we're watching. So we also have support and resistance right around here. That magnet that we called fib and VWAP is pulling this stock down, so we're just gonna wait. We're in it now at 350 shares, and we can just go in and set our limit buyback at let's put it at 1961, right between 1960, which is V, the yellow, and VWAP and fib, I'm sorry, 1963. So VWAP is at 1960, fib is at 1963. So let's buy that back at 1961. I hope everybody had a good morning and, you know, have been trading smart. Got out of my favorite stock, EAT, way too early, but that's because I was in MGM and this thing was just, wow, you can see what happened this morning. All right, so something here is holding it. I'm thinking that resistance right here. Let's put a line because we wanted to pass this. Just wanted to see what's holding this up there. So we wanted to break this line because VWAP is still trending below fib. Now I know that MGM moves in a trend. If you can look, this is what was holding me throughout the entire 3 weeks. This thing just moves. This is what it did. It was so frustrating for me for a while. So I'm hoping that now that I'm in here to try and bring this to you, that it actually is not going to start doing that again. Just wanted to get down to these 2 technical analysis, actually 3, support, resistance, VWAP, and fib, and then we'll be good to go. Only 350 shares, so just want to see what happens. So it's breaking that support resistance line. Should be seeing a nice fall here. All right, this thing is taking forever to move, so I'll just play some music for you guys. so we have it set for 1961. Let's just adjust that to 1963 just to, because that's going up. VWAP is now touching on fib. So we're at 1967, 68. Looking for 1963. All right, we're kind of bouncing off, but I'm not liking that green candle there. Let's see what the next candle brings. It should get here. Support, resistance, support. A lot of people taking profit. Let's just hold for a few more minutes to see what happens. All right, so this candle is a rejection candle. So that's why I'm waiting to see what kind of candle we have right here. I mean, we're up $100, so that's not bad. Been in the trade for 22 minutes. Lots of people don't earn $100 in 22 minutes. They don't even earn $100 in 8 hours, so we can be a little bit more patient. Okay, I'm liking that candle. So remember, we're waiting for 1963. It's at 1967. Come on, we just need a few more cents, MGM. Just a few more cents. They're not letting it go there, guys. Come on. All right, I'm thinking we're gonna just take it right here. Let's just get out. It's 1968. Bet after I get out, it's gonna get down there. I just bet you. All right, so 1967. We have it set 1967 right here. Let me get that up. And it is at 1967. All right, so we're just not gonna mess around with this. We're good. $133 and in 24 minutes. All right, so I'm glad I got that one to you. Like I said, been in this stock for 3 weeks, and it's just been a little tiring this morning because I was like, I don't want to be a pig, like I was telling a friend yesterday. It's like bears win, bulls win, but pigs get slaughtered. I was like, I was way up, one of my biggest wins so far, and I was just, look at that, 1960. I told you, could bet money. Anyway, doesn't matter. But yeah, we were watching this stock, got in, saw some weakness right here. But if you look on the daily, there's my lines. This is where it needed to get to. Nice little consolidation right here, and that was where I was holding for. And it actually went there. Let me see exactly where did it go. Let me just put that in. Say red, so we can see the exact 2025. Or let's make it orange. All right, so it actually went to right there where you see that red line is. Hope you can see it. Let me see if I can make it thicker. All right, my white line is right there. I can make my white line thicker as well, so you can see that I wasn't too far off. All right, so now I've selected my white line. All right, so both my white lines and where it actually went to is right here. So perfect support, resistance, and I actually had mine right there. So it needed to get there this morning. That it did. Then started coming back down. We saw the struggle right here, so we know it hit major support resistance. That was where everyone wanted it to go. That was where everyone was taking profit, and because this is shortable, we know everybody will be taking profit, so we just took it all the way down here as well. So it hit on the magnet, and on our had to hit, you know, in quotes, had to hit line, because VWAP and fib was here and support and resistance was also here, so it had to come down to that level at least. So we took it down and got out a little early, just a few cents, because it went to 1962 where we had it first. Surprise, surprise. Always does that to me. I don't know. That's one of my downfalls. That's what I'm working on. It's just my patience. I know it was gonna go there, and you saw me. I put it in, but then I had to take it out like a dodo bird. But we did end the day 24 minutes in the trade, and we're up $133. So this one, what I wanted to bring to you is patience. So if you know this is shortable and you know this thing had a level to reach, you just have to sit here through all of this and to get your profit. No, shorting is easier for some people. Going long is easier for some people. My challenge when I started was, where is it gonna hit? Where is it gonna hit? Now you may put your support and resistance there, but sometimes it doesn't even go there. Sometimes it doesn't go there because of something. So I find that I'm more comfortable going short, selling stocks, going short on stock, because then I know that if it hits a level of where I am thinking it's going to hit, and then I start seeing a struggle, if the stock is shortable, then I can get it and go back down to my fib line or VWAP or whatever is down there, support resistance. All right, so glad I got to show you this one. I do want to try and get you something every day. I don't think I got you one yesterday, did I? Maybe not. I don't know. It's just been a blur this morning with EAT and MGM. Look at EAT. This is what I was in. This is one of my favorite stocks, and I've been in this stock for a long time. Took profit, and then it just came back down. Did not short this one, but MGM just took up all of my energy, and I wanted to come to you with something, and because I see MGM going down, I thought I would just give that one to you. Another stock I want to show you that I am thinking about, just in case you want to look at it, is SSL. Now this stock, look at it. Let me take this out. Not giving you anything, but it's looking almost like a W to you, right? I don't know, but it looks like that to me. And also there's a big gap fill here, 750 to 950, so that's a $2 pop right there. It is lower price, so you can buy a lot of shares on here, and the news is actually good, and this stock has been making higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. Now, like I'm saying, this, it's up to you. Do not take my word for it. Do your research and see if this is something that you want to trade. So I've been sitting in this morning, but I just thought I'd show you that one that I'm sitting in. I got in this stock at 742. It's coming back down, but I like that it's just consolidating here. They can't seem to push it down. VWAP is just horizontal, so I'm looking for a pop. This stock could also drop, but yeah, I'm thinking it's strong enough to pop, and so I'm just gonna just hold it for a while. But like I'm saying to you guys, I'm not telling you to buy this. Do not buy this stock, only if you look at it and you think that it's something that you can trade. All right, so I'm gonna call this one done, and I will try to catch you tomorrow. So if you like what this video is doing, is telling you, is showing you, please go ahead, like and subscribe and share with someone who wants to know a little bit more about trading and how best to trade. And also ring that notification bell so that you can see when I've uploaded a video, because I sometimes don't do that every day. All right, guys, so you take care, have fun trading, and I will catch you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye.